I'm joined by Pawan Khera. He's the chairman of the BJP's media cell. Thank you very much for. Sorry, Congress. I'm so sorry. So sorry. I was talking to Pawan Khera of the Congress Party, old friend. Officially doesn't speak.
In their wildest dreams.
But जलेबी खा लिया आपने पवन खेरा जी? पटाखे चल रहे हैं. Jalebis are being distributed.
आपको भी खिलाएंगे, मोदी जी को भी खिलाएंगे.
कब खिला रहे हैं?
अभी आ जाइए एआईसीसी. अभी जलेबी आपको आज भी खिलाएंगे, कल भी खिलाएंगे और प्रधानमंत्री जी को बता भी दीजिएगा. 10 साल से इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं, उन्हें मालूम नहीं है कि फैक्ट्री में जलेबी मिलती है, बनती है और बाहर भी जाती है विदेशों में. आज उन्हें मालूम पड़ जाएगा.
So I'm sure he's watching you on live television and he gets your invitation for the jalebis. But Pawan Khera, what does this mean for the Congress Party? Already home from the leads that we are looking at in Haryana, and as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, alliance at around 40 according to the trends at this moment. How are you looking at the narrative, the national narrative at this moment?
I would say this is premature to comment either on Haryana or on Jammu Kashmir at this stage, because these are just postal ballots being counted. Yes, but they do point out at the trend that we can see through the day, and this only adds to our responsibility and to make sure that we honor the word that we gave to the voter both in Jammu and Kashmir and in Haryana.
Just this morning, we had people from the National Conference and the Congress Party in Kashmir. One says that bringing back Article 370 is top priority. That is the National Conference. What is the Congress's position on Article 370?
Well, wait for our common minimum program, and then we can discuss.
Is that going to be now scripted only after the victory, or were there some discussions before elections as well?
Well, obviously, no point jumping the gun at this stage. Let the results come. Let us reach an understanding on the common minimum program, and then we'll discuss and we'll have a threadbare discussion on all aspects.
Let me also ask you about Aam Aadmi Party contesting separately in Haryana. Good strategy by the Congress Party?
I think they are irrelevant in Haryana. So, I mean, I won't take the compliment whether this was a good strategy or a bad strategy, but they are irrelevant in Haryana. It's like me contesting against the US president.
Oh, fantastic. So India Alliance, what happens to that?
At a national level, we are in the alliance, but different states have different realities, different dynamics, and we have to honor those realities and dynamics.
Okay, Pawan Khera, I also want to ask you, today in the newspapers is the picture of what the Congress spent in the Lok Sabha elections, and that's about 585 crores. Many people asking the question, आप तो बहुत गरीब पार्टी थे, आपके पास तो ट्रेन की टिकट खरीदने के पैसे नहीं थे. ये 585 crore is not a small sum.
साहब, जो लोग ये पूछ रहे हैं उन्हें अभी शायद अंदेशा नहीं है कि इस देश के लोग कांग्रेस पार्टी से कितनी मोहब्बत करते हैं. जिस दिन उनको ये अंदेशा हो जाएगा, वो जो पूछ रहे हैं वो राजनीति छोड़ देंगे या शायद पत्रकारिता भी छोड़ दें.
तो ये पैसे लोगों ने दिए. योर क्राउड फंडिंग has actually raised that much money.
और लोगों से ही आते हैं. हमारे पास अदानी से नहीं, अंबानी से नहीं, हमारे पास आम लोगों से पैसे आते हैं. धन्यवाद.
वेल, तो फिर अगर लोग इतने पैसे दे रहे हैं तो अनडिक्लेयर्ड इमरजेंसी तो नहीं है. बट पवन खेरा, extremely sporting, I must say, despite the boycott on me, and let me say this on national television. Pawan Khera is one guy who's kept up purani dosti. You know, one has known him for decades and decades, and despite the boycott on me, he comes on air with me, and he's a sport, answers questions, takes a few pot shots, but